Yeah, so as we were saying, when you're looking at the radiator to find out if it's the problem, because the coolant system, it's a big system. It could be anything. It could be from the problem could be on the hoses, the thermostat. It could be anything, but the radiator can also be one of the problems. Like for example, this vehicle, um, the temperature gauge was staying under the halfway mark. So we were wondering why this temperature gauge is not going where it's supposed to be usually be at the halfway mark, right there at the halfway mark when the vehicle is running, and this one was staying below. So we checked everything before we decided to check the radiator, because we couldn't see any leak coming from the radiator, any because there was no coolant on the ground. So finally, we decided to check the radiator, and we saw how damaged the fins were. And like I said, you can see it was leaking from under there. So we caught this problem before it got bigger. It was leaking from under there, and it was also leaking from this knob here. I don't know how it got lost. I don't know how it came out. I don't know. So always check that knob right here. Always make sure if your radiator has it, tighten it. When you're installing the radiator, make sure you tighten that knob there, because um, if you don't tighten it, you'll be losing coolant from there. I'll show you quick in the next video the new radiator that we are replacing with this one with. I'll show you, if you can check the next video after this, and I'll show you the new coolant, and I'll show you how it came with this knob here, and how to take care of that knob, and how to make sure that you tighten that knob. So check your radiator. If you have overheating issues, um, observe it. Check the fins. If they're damaged like that, they could be leaking, and you'll never see the leak on the ground. This one was not too bad yet. Okay, so this is just a video about the signs of a bad radiator, which is part 2 of the other video. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can leave your comment there in the comment section. Also, you're welcome to sub to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.